How to add music bot on Discord. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music bot on Discord. So first of all, you have to log into your Discord account, and after that, you have to open a test server. As you can see, after clicking on test server, you have to click on here, and after that, as you can see, you have to click on the server settings, and after clicking on here, you have to go to the app directory from here, and you have to search for the music bot. As you can see, there are multiple of them. So let's do this. I'll add the Musico, and you have to click on the add app options and create commands, add a bot to server. Yes, we will add to the test server, and we'll have to click on the continue, and you have to click on authorize, and you have to just check the I'm human, that I'm not robot, and that success Musico has been authorized and added to test server. After that, you have to click on go to test server, and after coming to test server, as you can see, the Musico is added here, and after that you have to write a command here like uh, bass boost and mode a country music, and after not a valid choice, option size medium, and after that you must connect it to a voice channel to server to use this command. And to add voice channel, have to click on here, and after that you have to be on a voice channel. So for that you have to click on here, voice channel, and now you can write a command, and now we can create the command like Deezer, and for query, as you can see, they have just been made, and that's how you can add a music bot on Discord and use it as you feel like, as you can see. So that's it for the video. See you on the next one, guys.